happening now in the building material international between APC. Because of P2B came to this place to do campaign. There's some APC member blocked them on their way going. There's now crash now between APC and the PDP. About 5 or 7 motors now is on fire. So we need police to come and guide this place. Understand? This is day building material. As you can hear, as you can see, everywhere is scattered now. People are running helter skelter, trying to maintain